If you searched how to buy shares of AstraZeneca, this quick guide explains the practical steps. AstraZeneca is a global pharmaceutical company listed on LSE PLC under the ticker AZN.L, and this is educational content, not investment advice. To buy AZN.L, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AZN.L to find the AstraZeneca listing. Confirm you select the LSE PLC listing to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, check the basic company profile and the price chart to review recent movements. Make sure the displayed name and ticker match AstraZeneca AZN.L before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order fills, your AstraZeneca position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.